Namaste. Welcome to Hilton Bengaluru Embassy Golflinks. I'm Cassandra and I would like to take you through our health and safety preparations. Please follow me. Once you arrive, your footwear is sanitized. Hands are disinfected using the sanitizer provided and temperature is checked. Your luggage also goes through a disinfection routine. Flow markers are used to ensure social distance is maintained while checking in. Sanitized pens are used for paperwork. We have extra masks and gloves available if you wish to use them. Thank you. Your key is sanitized before being handed out to you. We are doing everything possible to ensure you have a safe and healthy stay with us. All our common areas and touch points like door handles, elevators and elevator buttons are sanitized at regular intervals using medical-grade sanitizers. There are hand sanitizers kept at various public areas for easy access. Your room is sanitized with immense attention to detail. All the electrical sockets, appliances, door handles and fixtures are thoroughly disinfected. ULV misting is used to further sanitize the room. To further reduce the risk, rooms are allocated to new guests only after 72 hours of previous guest checkout. Every room is equipped with a hand sanitizer. While you stay with us, you have access to digital menus for in-room dining. Thank you. We follow contactless delivery for the food. Your room is made every second day unless you request otherwise, and there is no turn-down service. It is very safe to dine at any of our restaurants if you prefer to do so. After temperature check and hand sanitization, you are seated at your reserved table that follows social distancing norms, kept minimum 6 feet away from other tables. The tables and chairs have been sanitized after every use. The buffets have sneeze guards, and social distancing norms are followed for the buffet. All our staff also undergo a rigorous sanitization routine when they arrive. Temperature checks, hand sanitization, footwear disinfection are performed upon entry. They always wear masks and gloves and work while maintaining social distance. If you use a hotel car, rest assured that your car has been thoroughly sanitized before your use. The driver is always wearing gloves and mask. There are extra masks and gloves with the driver if you wish to use them. We have been home to a few guests throughout the lockdown, taking care of them as family. We're open with full excitement, keeping in mind all the government and WHO's recommended safety and health guidelines. Looking forward to welcome you back.
Don't forget to subscribe to TGF and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications.